Hey, what's going on, guys? My name is Aman and welcome back to my channel. So in this video I'm giving away my 5 amazing preset packs especially for portraits. This preset pack is specially made for portraits, which people shot, and this is the very cheapest preset pack and the most amazing preset pack you can download in this price, and it is just 100 rupees. I'm sorry it is not for free because I have working very hard on it, so that's why I'm asking you to pay me, and it is 100 rupees and around $1.40 in if you are a foreigner. So you can read the description, and you can download this from my website, my new store. If you are a PayPal user, you can directly go to click on this PayPal button, and you can buy it. And if you are not, I will show you how to download it and purchase this preset pack. So first we have to go click to basket, add it to basket. After adding it to cart, you will see this window, and what you have to do next is go to click to proceed to checkout. And after seeing checkout, you have to fill all these details of your some are optional, but you have to fill the details. And for payment, you can use PayPal, debit and credit card, Stripe checkout, or net banking. There are 4 options for payment. You can use any of these to pay me and download this pack. So after downloading this pack, what you have to do is you will get a link to download the preset from Mediafire. You can download it from there. So that's it. That's for this. How to buy this. Now I will show you the presets, how they work and how you can import them. So import the preset, you have to click on this plus icon, import presets, and you have to import all this preset and use it. So after next I will show you how this works. The arena preset is used for all the presets are for portraits. I will show you all the presets. So as you can see, the before and after of this preset. I will reset it and apply the next preset, which is Blackie, and next teal and orange twinner. So as you can see, my presets working great on these portraits. I will show you next image. All these images are downloaded, are unedited, and are downloaded from Unsplash. So I will apply this preset in this photo. You can see it looks really good and sharp. As you can see the before and after. I will apply the next preset on this photo, and next preset. As you can see, this works great on the preset. I will apply the next preset, teal and orange. So as you can see, the preset works great on these photos, and you can also use these preset to apply it to your photo. As you can see, the preset looks great. You can see the before and after. Here is the before and here is the after. You can use this on any portrait, any type of portraits. So I will apply this Dominar preset on this photo, and you can see the after looks really good. And for this image, I will apply the teal and orange preset. You can see it looks really good. And the last image, I have to apply the teal and orange preset on it. As you can see, it looks really good. Here is the before, here is the after. I will apply arena preset on it, and you can see the difference. Look at that, bro. You can see. So that's it for this video, guys. I hope you enjoyed it. Don't forget to buy this preset pack from our store, and link is in the descriptions. So I will see you in my next video.